Say hi to the viewers, Les.
Hey guys, how you doing all? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're having like a wonderful Saturday afternoon.
Yep. Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Spider-Man here. Welcome back to another video. And make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Okay, let's get started here. Shoot some stuff.
Yeah.
So, I actually made a... America. Before we get started, I actually made a video before with just now, but it was too long and it didn't really... It couldn't... It was too slow. And it wouldn't actually record. So I'm making a shorter video. At least making it 6 or 7 minutes long, max.
Okay. That doesn't seem nice. That doesn't seem bad.
Well, cause the other... Les, you there?
Yeah, I'm listening, yeah.
Okay, cause the other video got like, it was long as hell. That started right when session started, so it was like 15-minute long video. And I don't think anyone wants to be watching Roblox for 15 minutes.
Yeah, I get it.
I mean, I don't want to be watching. Wait, 1 second, wait. Forgot to turn that volume off. Okay, the volume's off of the game, because that can fuck up my audio. Let's get... Look at this guy, I have no fucking head. Damn you! America!
America.
Okay, well, whoa, the helicopter disappeared.
Yeah, it's weird.
That's what it does, more than likely.
Where are the crimes so you can go solve them?
The cars were, I think there were a couple cars at the prison, police area where we were just at. But, you know, you could make your, police, you can actually switch your skin. There's free skins out there, you know that, right? This skin I have is free.
Where you wanna go?
I don't know. Where you want to go? Why am I oddly faster than you? Oh shit, oh shit. Les, he has a Mustang. Get this guy, Pop his tires, We need to run up, pop his tires. This guy's really swearing. I'm a rank 11 now, yo. Hell yeah. I've been trying to do that for so long. Get back here, you bastard. No, let's do this.
You gotta grind to get to that, right?
Yeah, I've been really grinding in this game to get to level 11. It's level 12 now. Woohoo! I am a level 11 now, so let's go, kids.
I'm like struggling with the whole shooting mechanics.
Yeah, I mean, it is a third-person game, so let's be real here. I'm not a big fan of third-person.
I mean, certain games are fun third-person, but not all.
This game's pretty fun. I mean, it's a Roblox game, so it's pretty good for a Roblox game. What are you doing, Les? You're just moving around randomly. What are you...
Well, I don't know where we're going.
I don't know where... I'm following you.
Where you at?
I'm right here, bro.
Yeah, go.
I'm following you. I don't know where to go. I don't play this game as much as you would think.
I'm lighting up suppressives. Go.
Honestly, I feel like this video is going to get more views because I'm actually talking to someone.
That's pretty cool.
To be honest, don't you feel like videos when they have more than one person get a lot more views?
You know what? Sometimes it's better to have videos with more than one person because, you know, it's about the interaction between the two people and the conversation they have.
Yeah, exactly. And it gets like, it's not just me yapping about, oh, subscribe, like for more great content.
Yeah.
And it's just me repeating, yo, it's your boy Spider-Man, subscribe for more great.
I would suggest if you want, like, subscribers and people watch your videos to put, like, I was reading about the synergy that you create when you have suggested videos. So you should type certain things in your YouTube channel, like
no, you know
big
what
subscribe button and stuff like that.
No, you know what I actually could do though? I actually asked people, like, if in my videos, all of my videos, including this one, I'm gonna ask, like, people can type in the comments down below, like, if you want me to, like, review a video, I'll do it. Like, if you want me to play more Roblox, I'll do it. Like, I'm doing what the viewers want, because I'm just the guy playing and doing the stuff. They're actually the one watching it. It's their... So I'm, like, nice about that. So, like, if they want me to review, let's say, I don't know, Michael Jackson, I'll watch a video or something. I'll do that. If they want me to review whatever, I'll do it. Like, if it's getting me views and getting me subscribers, I'll do it.
Yeah, the important thing is we get some subscribers, but also you gotta remember, you gotta be true to yourself. You can't be just making things up, because then they don't come out natural and organic, and then people notice that they're kind of fake. I mean, that's how I think. I don't know.
For me, I'm gonna be like, even when I do, like, if I do song reactions, I'm gonna be the honest and tell them my honest opinion about it, if I hate it or not, and they're gonna have to live with it.
Yeah.
Like, seriously, I'm not gonna be all nice about your shitty rap song or your crappy pop song and just say, oh, it's super good, it's great. Or if I play a Roblox game and I don't like it, I'll tell everyone I don't like it, and I probably won't play it again.
But that's cool, though.
Hey.
Because that means you have an opinion and you're making it count. As long as you're respectful to others' opinions and wishes, you're okay.
Yeah, but I feel like they're gonna unsubscribe because I'm not playing their stupid game.
I mean, they subscribe for who you are, honestly.
Another thing,
how do you entertain them?
Another thing I also said was, like, if you... I don't have many subscribers yet, but what I said, though, is, like, if you want to, like, play Roblox with me and leave your Roblox account name down below, you can actually play with me. And you can actually be entered... You can actually be in one of my videos.
Like one right now, yeah?
Well, you're a friend. You're different. But, like, with them, they can actually,
earn a chance to go...
be entered to win, to, like, and they can also, if they want, I can leave them my personal email, they can give me their phone number, and I can call them. And they can... Oh, shit, I saw someone. And they can actually be in one of my future vids, and they can actually be in them, and they can shout themselves out, shout out their social medias, and all that stuff. And the video has went up to 7 minutes long. That is going to be the end of the video. See you guys next time. Say bye, Les.
Bye.